Today's unboxing, a bit different and not from AliExpress. It did take about a month to get to me, even though it came from England, but they grew it to deliver to me. This is yellow oyster mushroom spawn. It's a grow bag. Essentially what you do is you've got to chill it down first. It's already pretty cold actually. Well, I'm going to put it on the kitchen floor to cool it down a bit so I don't have a working fridge. Then tomorrow what I'm going to do is modify it, because that's what I do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split it in half, and I'm going to put half in each of those two tubs. One of them's smashed up. They're both actually broken because they're really cheap plastic. But I'm going to split it between those two. So I'm going to cut this in half. And then what I'm going to do, the reason I'm doing that, is because I've now got that netting. And I'm going to fill those, pack them with cardboard that I'm going to soak in boiling water first. So I've got a big old box of cardboard in the kitchen that is going to be used. This is my big box of cardboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use that. I've been saving it all up for the past few weeks. I'm going to put it inside these plastic tubs, just dose it with boiling water, and then it'll have overnight to cool down. The netting I'm going to put on top to keep the bugs out. Actually, I'm going to put the netting, because I've got so much of it, it cost me about 4 or 5 quid for that netting. And it's 4 by 3 meters, so I've got plenty enough to wrap around both boxes. And that way I can keep them outside. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, the reason I'm using the cardboard as an extra, like a pulp, is that it can actually put my psyllium into the cardboard, and that will give me even more mushrooms, hopefully, in theory. So I've now dosed my cardboard with hot water. They've been put in the boxes and they've been wrapped up with the netting. It's a lot of netting for 4 quid. And now the sun can cook off any bad stuff, and then tomorrow I can split and put in my mushrooms. Must remember not to buy from urban farming again, because it's either infested with bugs or you get a nice bit of white stuff on top. As soon as you open it, there's nothing. Completely fucking dead. It's going to take a fair bit of luck to get anything out of these mushrooms, because there's bugger all in the blocks, a little bit on the surface. But it's in a shaded place away from the bright sunlight. Plenty of airflow because of the netting, and keep them moisturised. I bought this mushroom fruiting block, and it did nothing. It was completely dead. But what I did, I split it in half, put it in these two tubs, and I added a load of wood. So right now it's not, that was about maybe a month ago, could be longer. So it's not actually growing from the substrate they sent me. It's a little bit of life that has spawned into the wood. So the actual thing they sent me, shit. But the wood I put in is now growing mushrooms. Yellow oyster. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. And that wood in there, the netting cost me pennies. I think it was something like 2 quid for the whole big batch of it from AliExpress. Keeps the bugs out, otherwise they end up infesting it. So keep it moist, give me some mushrooms, and that wood will keep producing mushrooms for a year, 2 years maybe, because how dense it is.